Good morning, students. Open your English First Flight book, page number 61. Today, we will continue our poem number 6, Amanda, from Unit 4, written by Robin Klein. We have already completed the reading of the poem. Now, let us see the poetic devices or literary devices used in this poem, Amanda. First of all, the rhyming scheme of the poem. In stanza 1, 3 and 5, the rhyming scheme is AABA. Here, Amanda word is repeating in 3 lines. And in the third line straight, this is a different rhyme. So this is B. Look here. In the first line, Amanda, Amanda, and in the fourth line, Amanda. So all these 3 are A. And in the line 3, straight. This is a different rhyme. So this is B. So our rhyming scheme will be AABA. Same pattern is followed in stanza 3 and stanza 5. The next device in this stanza is alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of consonants or sounds at the beginning of 2 or more words in a line of poetry. Here in line 3, stop slouching, stop slouching, sit straight. In all these words, S sound is repeating. So this is the example of alliteration. Then we see anaphora also. Anaphora is repeating the same word at the beginning of phrases or sentences. Means consecutive phrases or sentences. Here in line 1 and 2, both are starting with don't. So this is anaphora. Then here is assonance also. This is the repetition of identical or similar vowel sound in a series of words, phrases and or syllables. Here in line 2, don't your shoulders. O sound is repeating. Don't your shoulders. Here O sound is repeating. So this is the assonance. Next poetic device is repetition. Repetition means again over and over repeating of a same word. This repetition poetic device we can see in stanza 1, 3, 5 and 7. In all these 4 stanzas, Amanda word is repeating so many times. So this is the device of repetition. Now rhyming scheme here in stanza 2, 4 and 6 are C, C and C. Let us see how. See, me, and third line blissfully. So here see, me and fully. These all 3 words are rhyming. So our rhyming scheme will be C, C, C. This is same in stanza 4 and stanza 6 also. Next device is allusion. A literary device which authors use as a means to refer or to make reference to a historical event, famous individual, landmark, or well-known work of art or literature. Next device in this stanza is allusion. Allusion is a reference to a famous or well-known person or place. Here, murmured. Murmured is an imaginary creature who has a woman's head and body and a fish tail instead of legs. So, this is the device of allusion. Next is metaphor. Metaphor is the direct comparison of two unlike things. Here, emerald sea. So, emerald refers to the green color of emerald stone, and the color of sea, that is green, is compared to the color of emerald stone. This is the use of metaphor. Now, again in stanza 3, same rhyming scheme is there. Amanda, Amanda, A, A. Line 4, Amanda, A. All these three words are rhyming. Line 3, shoes are not rhyming, so this is B. Our rhyming scheme will be A, B, A. Next is anaphora. In line 1 and 2 are starting with did. Both the lines are starting with the same word did. This is anaphora. Then there is assonance also. In line 3, thought, told, you, to, your, shoes. In all these words, O sound is common. So this is assonance. Then there is repetition also. As I told you earlier, Amanda. Amanda word is repeated in stanza 1, 3 and 5. So here is repetition poetic device also. Now let us see stanza 4. The rhyming scheme is again C, C, C. Street, feet, sweet. All these three words are rhyming. So these are C, C and C. Then there is the usage of metaphor. In the line 3, silence is golden. So silence is treated to be very precious, just like gold. And freedom is sweet. Freedom is sweet. This is metaphor. Now in stanza 5, again there is same rhyming scheme A, B, A. Now here Amanda. Amanda word is repeating in line 1, 2 and 4. These will be A and A. And in line 3, speaking to, this is different. So this will be B. Our rhyming scheme will be A, B, A. Then there is again assonance in line 3. Here O sound is very prominent. You, look. This is assonance. Now we move on to next stanza, stanza 6. Here first of all the rhyming scheme is same. C, C, C. Care, rare, here. So this will be C, C and C. And next is, then there is allusion, reference to Rapunzel, who is a German fairy, tale with golden colored hair. This is allusion. Now then there is consonance. Or the prominence of the consonant sound in a particular line. Now here in line 3, R sound is very prominent, like never, bright, hair. In these three words, R sound is repeating. R consonant sound is repeating. So this is consonance. Now in stanza 7, again the same rhyming scheme is followed here also. A, B, A. Line 1 Amanda, line 2 Amanda and line 4 Amanda. These will be A and A. And line 3 U. So this will be B. Our rhyming scheme will be A, B, A. The next device is alliteration. Here in line 1, stop sulking. In both the words S, S sound is repeating. So this is the instance of alliteration. So, this is all for this chapter. We have discussed the lesson, we have discussed the poetic devices. I hope you all have understood the lesson. But if you have any queries, you can contact me. Thank you, children.